Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2018 Mazda 3 Max Sport, stock reference number 5690. The shape runs from the 11th month 2013 through to the 2nd month 2019. It has a PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand LED fog light, left power door mirror, left rear door has no damage, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light, left boot lid garnish, right boot lid garnish, boot lid has no damage, camera type, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has no damage, right power door mirror, right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, driver side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, electric handbrake type, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, factory set nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.